And now we're ready to begin this journey to solve this problem of driving test nerves, to make you feel calm and relaxed.
Left again.
Yeah, at the traffic lights, yeah.
But still alert when you take your driving test. Now I want you to imagine that in this safe place that you're in, you look around and somewhere you see a staircase.
You could keep going. You could have. Yeah, you could have. Because they were still like 6 seconds away. You could have, if you were just a little bit quicker and all that, you could have made it.
Now this could be behind the door, it could be in the distance.
So that guy's far enough away, you could go ahead and push that gas. Okay, maybe not. The next one though, after the grey car for sure, right? 1001, 1002, 1003. It only took you 3 seconds to clear the intersection. Go into the driveway here.
It can be anywhere you choose.
And we'll do the forward parking in one of the spaces with the white signs. You want one of those white signs to end up right in dead center of your hood there.
Okay.
Forward parking.
But I'd like you to imagine this staircase going down. Now in a moment, we're going to walk down this staircase together. And with each step that you take, I want you to see the step beneath your feet.
Park your brake.
Yeah.
Okay, so for this, for the maneuver for forward parking, what you want to do is swing the vehicle out as far to the left as you can.
Yeah.
Before turning into your space.
Right.
And for that, you can, with the curb over the back there, you see the sidewalk, you can bring the car, the front left corner of the bumper all the way to the sidewalk before you turn in.
Got it.
You'll have more of a wider turning radius that way. Okay, so now I'm going to test you. I'm going to be your examiner, and I'll test you exactly like they do. So basically, they'll have a little tablet when they get in here, and you'll see them writing stuff down, but don't worry about that. It could be they're just filling a section that says you're complete to a certain section. It's not necessarily that you're making mistakes or anything. Just ignore what they do. They'll give you plenty of advance notice of what they want you to do, and you can make 15 minor mistakes.
I want you to hear the step, whatever sound it may make. And I want you to feel each step.